Hello and welcome. Today I show you how you can resize the taskbar on Windows 11. On Windows 11, this is the default size of the taskbar, but what if you want to change the taskbar to a larger size or a smaller size? You can open the Registry Editor app by clicking the Start menu and then typing reg, as in Registry Editor. And you see here it pops up. If it doesn't show like this, just type Registry Editor and it will show here. You click it, you open it, and you don't need to worry about all this information. The important thing is that you should not change anything other than what I tell you. You go to HKey current user, you expand this one and open the software key also, you expand the software key. Microsoft, expand Microsoft also, you look for Windows, you expand Windows, the Windows key also, and CurrentVersion, Explorer, and then you open Advanced. So you have to go to this path. I will copy it and put it in the description for you. And inside Advanced here, you see I have a key start mode, but inside Advanced I right click, New. Once you have the setting here, TaskbarSi, you double click it or you can right click on it and choose Modify. It's the same thing. And the value you will change it depending on what you prefer. If you want the size of the taskbar to be smaller, you will keep it 0. If you want the taskbar to be the same size, the default as you have it now, this happens if you changed it to bigger or smaller and you want to put it back how it was. You either delete the value here or you just set it to 1. I would recommend you leave it there and you set the value to 1. 1 is the taskbar size normal and 2 is for larger. I want to try to see how it looks like when the taskbar is a bit larger than this. So this is the taskbar now. I will close the Registry Editor. I will do a quick restart and see if it changes. So let's see. Okay, it's starting. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, this is... Taskbar is larger now. I'm not sure if I like this. You see, I shouldn't have to go to the Registry Editor to make this change, and I should be able to go somewhere here and drag with my mouse down or up and change the setting, or right click on the taskbar and change the setting size for the size. That makes more sense than a registry edit. And hopefully Microsoft will add that into Windows in the near future. Let's try the smallest size for the taskbar. Registry Editor, it takes me, I'm still there, so this is nice. It gives me to HKey, current user, software, Microsoft Windows, CurrentVersion, Explorer, Advanced. That was a long thing to say. TaskbarSi, for size, make it 0. Let's see how the smaller taskbar would look like. So I'll do a restart again. Okay, it's starting. I'm not sure if I like this. I can't even see the date properly. So yeah, definitely there is something buggy about Windows 11 on this thing, on the taskbar size. Maybe they're still going to make changes. Okay, so this taskbar is too small. I think I will go back to the default one. So it was probably really difficult for them to decide which one to keep. But looks like the default one is the only one that doesn't break the user interface here with this date. And restart. Yeah, this is the size that makes more sense. And I think I will delete the value just in case. I will add it later if I need a larger taskbar size, but for now I will delete it. Okay, so that's all. Hopefully this video is helpful, and sometimes the default option is not too bad. If you really can't see the icons here, choose the larger size, but the smaller one is really unusable. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to share. And I will see you next time. Share with one person. Thanks. Bye.